We were off to an early start to go and clear our papers at the customs depot at Ouesso. I'm going to take you on a tour of the CfaN truck village here at Congo Customs Depot.
You remember I made one at the Crusade that feels like this, complete. Here, everything. No, that's in East Africa.
Not yet.
Okay, we have one in the warehouse that
It cannot work here.
Any new plans? Where are all the engineers now?
Die Bremsen vom Anhänger sind etwas schwach und wir wollen jetzt kontrollieren, wie die Bremsbelegdicke ist. Mal sehen, wie sie aussehen, um dass einfach wir wieder Power auf den Bremsen haben. Schauen wir mal und kontrollieren.
This is where the Cameroon seals on the containers come off in order for the Congo customs to inspect.
Hey, there you go. Now try the feet. Feet. Look at it's going in the ground. Just feet. Can you stand on it, or is that too? No. Then. You all right? Yeah. Came off. You okay?
Yeah. Good work to do, and then we are set for Brazzaville. That's wonderful, because we are a long time on the road, but we will make it. Now it's only the last lap, and we are sure this week, by ending next week, we will be there.